So
Tama,
talagang
oo.
pinaghandaan.
Tama, tama.
Talagang pinaghandaan.
Oo.
Now, I'm gonna go back muna sa ICC. Sabi mo, it's the last resort,
Court of last resort, yeah.
court of last resort. What does that mean on our current judicial system? Kasi, does that mean that our court, the current judicial system, the Supreme Court, is a non-functioning court that it cannot do anything? Na ilalabas na lang nila kagad, ipasa na lang nila dun sa last resort? Is the Supreme Court or the judicial system of the Philippines right now really a functioning system?
It is. We're a fully functioning state. Technically, we're a fully functioning state. Of course, it is not perfect, and of course, there will be legal mga blockages, no.
Mm.
But kung if the state, the current administration, has the full instrumentalities of government, hindi ba? Kanya lahat eh. Sa kanya lahat. Andun lahat yung andun yung executive at pwede niya kausapin. Of course, independent naman ang executive, judiciary, tsaka ang
Legislative.
legislative, no? Magkakahiwalay yun. But they work in concert. They can work in concert. So, kumbaga, siguro it was just, it is not a question of, tawag nito, na hindi nagpa-function ang state natin, but it seemed more a lack of political will to be able to execute that. Of course, may mga tao na nagsasabi na, mahirap talaga dito sa Pilipinas, ganito, ganyan. But that's neither here nor there, Hindi ba? It doesn't, kaya siya mahina o mabilis. Kaya nga may leader eh. Kaya nga tayo merong executive, kaya may president, meron tayong head of state. Kasi siya, yung head of state, is meant to exercise both wisdom, courage, and will, political will. So, it's not a question of, hindi lang basta functioning ba tayo, hindi tayo functioning. Actually, we are a functioning state. Hindi naman tayo failed state, but sometimes those in power fail. So, it's not the state itself that has failed. Pero there's a tendency to go along that line kung hindi naman magpa-function ng gusto yung those who are in authority.